Alright folks, here we have a 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe model. It has what they call the Highlander package. Chevrolet apparently leaked out information that there was going to be a body style change in 1973, and a lot of people didn't want, the older body style. It would be like 69 to 72. And they were going to go for a 73. Everybody wanted the new style, so sales dipped, and apparently they came out with special promotional packages like the Highlander, which gave you some different options, including plaid seat covers and upgraded interior air conditioning, tilt wheel, stuff like that. And I'll show you those options when we get into the truck here. This truck actually came from a friend down in Arkansas, and he had purchased it from somebody in, I think it was Chattanooga, Tennessee it came from. And that's the fellow that restored it. And previous owner did do some work to it. There was some paint updated on the roof and stuff. And I'll show you around the truck. The engine was rebuilt, and there was a 700 R4 overdrive transmission installed. The truck has a 308 rear, if I'm not mistaken. No rust on the truck. Truck's in excellent shape, and everything has been replaced, new or original. Really good shape. It does have the Chevy truck rallies on it, as you can see. And we'll go around and I'll show you a little bit about the truck. It did win a trophy recently here in New Jersey at a show. King of the Mountain Award, and it was in the truck group. There was some pretty good competition there too. I was very impressed. Let's see, I'll show you the interior. It has the gauge package, including it has a vacuum gauge, tachometer. You can see there. It does have a custom auto sound radio. And it has air conditioning, and it's ice cold. And this is the Highlander trim package. You see carpeting and all, that's all been replaced obviously. No headliner in this model though. Interior light. And that is original seat covering replacement actually. And you can see 72 only. You can see the screw hole there, Phillips screw hole right below the vent window. That determines it's 72. And you can see the door panels as well. We'll fire up here in a minute. See everything. It is, used. The truck is it was a daily driver in Arkansas. Rocker panels are in good shape. I'll show you the bottoms of the doors. Well, everything really good shape here. Rockers. And I'll take a quick look under here. You can see everything is a little dirty, but there's no rust under there. Everything's dry too. Okay, just a little dirty because he lived down a dirt road. And door's shut nice. The roof was repainted, had the usual drip rail issues, and that was taken care of. Base coat, clear coat, and back window was put back in. Windshield was put back in with the trim like it's supposed to be. It's original color. I'll show you that on the glove box door. He did have a spray liner put in. No rust, nothing hiding under the liner. There it is. Tailgate works great too. I'll show you that. No rust on the tailgate. Original tailgate, not a replacement. It's very heavy. Dual exhaust all the way out the back. He chose to go out the bumper. Originally it would have came out right here on each side. The hangers are still there for it. I'll show you that. Original tailpipe hangers are right there. It does have a spare tire. And a little shot of the 12-bolt rear there. It still needs a little detailing underneath. And it has some chips in the paint. You can see here from driving down that dirt road. Tires are new. They're Cooper radial GTs. And they're 275/60 R15s. And the truck is straight as an arrow as well. Look down that body line. Originally this truck had swing away mirrors. Previous owner didn't like them and he took them off. He had the body shop weld in the holes and he put the peep mirrors on it, and they did all the body work on them, did them the proper way. They did a really nice job. You can't even see any marks where they were. You look right down here. Original Custom Deluxe badging with the 350 badging. A couple little dings here and there on the trim because he drove it as an everyday, you know, nice day driver to church and stuff. Not, I wouldn't say everyday driver, every weekend driver on nice days. A shot of the front here. New grille and surround. And it has been upgraded to the R134A and a newer style compressor. And the air conditioning works excellent. You won't even need it on high, it's so cold. New radiator, new alternator. Carburetor has been rebuilt professionally, and as you can see, that air cleaner is aftermarket, and it does have an HEI distributor back there. Truck was well maintained by the previous owner. He put less than 500 miles a year on the truck. No hidden rust issues on this truck at all. It drives better than brand new. Let's see, take a look around here. Oh, sorry about the finger and open the door here. Oh, it is open. Okay. We're gonna go around the other side and we'll take a look at the options list. I've had quite a few of these trucks, I think over 20 now. And this is probably one of the nicer ones I've owned. This was my registration for the show. And here's the Highlander trim package brochure. First I'm going to show you the option list of the truck. Hopefully you can view this. You can see what it had, or what it has, sorry. Original options. Original long bed truck. 350 automatic. Tilt steering. I had an AM radio originally, and it was upgraded. And I'm being told the original engine is still in it. I didn't run the numbers myself yet, but he told me it was. And let me see. Here's the brochure, just so. See, this is, they were trying to promote this. And it kind of tells you the different options, different packages. Just to give you an idea what Highlander means. You can get these on eBay. This was an original brochure I lucked out. It's not a reprint. So, you see pretty cool stuff there. Yeah, so anyway, I'll fire the truck up for you. You can see bottoms of these doors are good too. Everything's good here. Rockers are good. Cab corners, everything. Little ding there in the trim. Sill plates are good. Doors shut nice. Take another shot underneath here. This side, just a little dirty. I'll get under there and maybe clean it up and paint it. There's no rust issues. none whatsoever. Brakes are brand new. Bearings and bushings all have been replaced. All right, get in the truck here. There we go. Truck runs great. I forgot to mention he did put a Z28 steering wheel on here, and I didn't like it at first, but I tell you, when you drive the truck, it's so comfortable. So I'm gonna leave it on there, so next owner could change it if he wants. So oil pressure's good, vacuum's good, and there's your tachometer, and here's the air condition. Ice cold air condition. Rear view mirror is mounted to the windshield, right where 72 is supposed to be. Visors, original visors are still intact. A couple little screw holes that nobody can explain. I don't know what they were from. Accessories somebody had in here at one time, previous owner. But cigarette lighter there. The AC works great. The speakers are under the seat, they slide out. No kick panel speakers, I didn't install them, the previous owner did. These sound fine. So, that is a new, I think, rebuild. The rebuild or no, I'm not really sure. The previous owner did it. This tilt wheel, and you can see it is overdrive transmission, 700 R4, like I said. Okay. All right, I'm already 12 minutes, so that pretty much shows it. Shut this door. Everything's nice and firm. Hopefully I cover everything. Anybody has any questions, they can just write a comment. And thanks for watching.